Welcome to the One Business ERP training video series. In this video, we learn more about using the Work Center. First, click the Work Center tile. Now let's get acquainted with the Work Center and its use in the plant maintenance module. A Work Center is an object that contains internal and external resources. This is an essential step in resource planning and automatic work order allocation. This page is a list page, also known as a dashboard. You can find the list of all work centers here. The company code, category, plant, functional location, planner group, status, and action group are displayed on the list page or the dashboard. You can filter them by description. You can use the I button to see details. Additionally, you can use the Edit button to change work centers. Use the resource icons to check the names of people in the work center. You can add and delete resources on the Work Center Resources page. If you want to add a new work center, click the Create Work Center button. You can fill in the required fields on the next page and click the Submit button. You might be wondering, what is the use of work centers? Work centers are objects that are useful in resource planning for work orders. Similar transactions exist in the production planning module. We have completed Work Center transaction training.